So today in class, we discuss the interface of Adobe Illustrator and how it's kind of important to know what things are called so you can find things pretty easily. For your first part of today's activity, once you download and open your file, I'd like you to label the different components of the Adobe Illustrator interface. Similar to yesterday, you should be able to take your regular selection tool, drag a label, and find the place it matches. Make sure you look at where the arrow is pointing to make sure this lines up. If you're not sure what each component does, you can use the internet as a resource or even your class notes. Once you're done labeling the interface, what you want to do is scroll down and make a workspace. And now we talked about workspaces just being the arrangement of how things are in the program, depending on what you need as a designer. So for this, I'm going to ask you to open up 4 different panels that are not currently open and save a workspace as your name. A reminder, to access panels, you have to go to your window menu, and your menu is right up here where it says Illustrator, File, all of that. So here are the 4 you have to pull up. So let's do one of them together. I need to access my color panel. To do that, I'm going to go up to Window. I'm going to find the one that says Color. When I do that, it'll pop up here. Now we want them to be stacked on one another, so I'm going to show you how to stack them. I'm going to go to Window again, find my Layers panel. It looks like my layers are already open, but let's say yours isn't. I'll go back, hit Layers, and now my layers are there. Now I'm noticing this is already popped in with other things. If I want to move a panel, I can simply grab the word, click and hold my mouse, and drag until it's removed. To attach one panel to another, click and drag this top little gray part until you see a blue line pop up. That means these things are going to connect. And now this is kind of stacked, which is really convenient. You're going to do this for stroke and symbols. And once you have all 4 here, you're going to save your workspace. To save your workspace, you have to go back up to Window, Workspace, and hit New Workspace. When you get here, just name your workspace, your full name, Test Workspace, and hit OK. And now this arrangement will stay on your screen as long as you're in that workspace. When you're done with part 2, please close your screen halfway to let me know you're ready to move on.